I almost forgot about this one. Since I tried the cassette player on this one, my 1981 Panasonic RX-5010F, I figured, now I got belts. This has two belts actually. I can change them out and get this cassette player working now too. Now its current situation. Yep, sounds like yep, sounds like a motor with no load whatsoever on it. So, now to fix that problem. New belt. Alright, now it's all vacuumed out. Now to take out a couple screws here and have access to what was a belt. Now look at this. Not only did the belt break, but look, it literally melted, it disintegrated. It's going to be fun to try to get that belt out. What's left of it, you see that? Eesh. I wonder if I'm able to disconnect that. Well, we'll try. Now luckily this was a plug and I was able to remove it to make it easier. That's the pulley from the motor itself. Look at that. It's going to take a lot to get that cleaned up for the new belt. Alright. Now that's the best she's going to get with Clorox wipes. And I did the best I could to remove all the grease of the melted old belt. Looks pretty good to me. Good enough for me. So, I'm gonna remove this piece to put the new belt in. Now, but before that, I'm gonna show you the other belt for the counter and the fast forward pulley. Now, as you see, it's pretty shot. It's worn. It's stretched. It's all stretched out. But look at my hand. It's all from that melted belt. See my hand? It's unbelievable. So next you'll see the new belt and those pulleys. And the new belt is in. should be turning quite nicely. And that is it. Now for the next belt. I gotta put this back in first. And the belt for the tape counter. The new belt for the tape counter is in. Awesome. Now to finish putting this back together. Alright, this is pretty much back together now. I just got to test it out to see if it works. But unfortunately, I forgot where this part went in the tape door, because now it's wiggly wobbly like that. So it's like that now. Unfortunately, I forgot where this went. And it's going to be like that till I can figure out, or any of you guys could help me figure that out. That would be great. But I'm going to be testing it. All right, let's see what's going to happen. Yes, it works. Oh, that's not good. I have to use a screwdriver to do rewind. Now, unfortunately, it's not playing. Well, I'm just going to clean this up and that'll be it for tonight. I'm not going to fiddle with it anymore. I'm just going to clean it up. So, I just finished cleaning it up. It does look better, as you see. And so this is out of my knowledge, so I'm not going to fiddle with it any longer. Could have somebody else figure this out for me. But the cassette player, it's only partially fixed. I'm gonna put this on radio. Alright, so I guess that concludes. Thank you for watching.